I get raccoons on our deck in our small yard. What can I do to discourage raccoons from visiting my yard and ripping up everything? And this is thank you, Miss Barbara. So Miss Barbara, I'm gonna get out of the way. I'm gonna toss it to Mary here. So what do you think about that one?
Okay, so raccoons are really smart. They
Okay.
really are. They have pretty big brains and they can figure things out.
Okay.
But they're coming to your yard for a reason. Most of the time, that's food. So I would ask, are you feeding animals outside, like cats or dogs?
Okay.
If so, remove that, especially at nighttime. Are you using bird feeders, and do they have the right predator guards? Are you cleaning up
That's good.
underneath it? So the raccoon is coming there because there's some sort of food source, I would suspect there.
Okay.
So eliminating the food source,
Okay.
and then figuring out how they're getting in, and if you can do some sort of exclusion. For example, if they want to hang out under your deck or under your shed, there's things you can do to exclude them from getting under there. So
Okay.
eliminate food sources and then exclusion.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.